want to talk about perceptions and impressions. When people have a certain impression or perception about you, can you really change that perception or impressions? Oftentimes, the answer is no. So you want to try as much as possible that wherever you find yourself, first impressions matter. Don't think it's a cliche or it's just a myth. It really, really does matter. And the first impression you give people is what they will hold on for a very, very long time. So wherever you find yourself, in the office, anywhere you go to, you want to put up the best behavior that you can. It's not pretense. It's just that impression is going to be lasting and it may not change for a very, very long time. So wherever you find yourself, being your best behavior, don't say, that's how I am. I don't want to pretend. There's nothing like that. The first impression you give would last for a very, very long time. So hold impressions very, very dear.